This is code.org, and this is a check for understanding. Let's see what we got here. Polymorphism, compile time, runtime, immutable. All right, and then over here, an object whose state cannot be modified after it's created, the time when a program is compiled, the ability of an object to perform an action in different ways, the time when the program executes. Okay, well, we could take some guesses here. First of all, programming executing. Another word to say that is when you execute, when the program's executing, it is running. It is going through the code. So I'm going to guess this, and we will check these because code.org provides superb resources that we can do that with. However, let's keep going here. The time when a program is compiled, well, compile time, the ability of an object to perform an action in different ways, morphing, I would call that. And this says an object whose state cannot be modified after it's created. Bam. Let's try those. But again, guys, don't guess on these. There's no reason because we're learning. So they provide us so many resources. Let me go down here and click on my lesson resources. And polymorphism, ability of an object perform an action in different ways. Check. We got that one. Let me look at the lesson resources for 6. Constant or static? Nope, they didn't ask us anything about those guys. Nothing about that. Nothing. Polymorphism, compile time, runtime. Immutable, an object whose state cannot be changed after it's created. That one we got. Now, with runtime and compile time, I assume earlier lessons, I'm not really sure. I'm not going to keep running through these, but you guys get it. Time when a program executes, this one has the word in the definition. So, cool. Make sure to use your resources. Onward.